Alright, so somebody could be in some type of commitment, or they're committed to something, or this could be them saying that they want to commit to you. They can see themselves marrying you, but see, justice tried to come out reverse. Whoever I'm picking up on, they're trying to get out of a commitment, a marriage, some type of contract. Somebody's trying to get out of something. Could be dealing with a Libra, but let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Clarify the moon. Yeah, they're trying to listen to their intuition to come towards you, but they're afraid that things may not improve because maybe they kept something from you. They could have lied, something that took place in the past, but they made a decision, you know, and they're ready to communicate with you to tell you what's been going on. So let's see. Somebody could be dealing with the Chariot. It's like they're ready to move forward, to come towards you. Did I say somebody could be dealing with a Chariot? If I did, y'all, I'm tripping. So, because I'm picking up a lot, so I'm sorry. If I did say it, my bad. Y'all know I'm trying to say Cancer. If I didn't say it, y'all ignore me. Anyway, so this person definitely wants to move forward with you, but they're afraid that because they didn't balance things out in the past, that you don't want to build with them anymore. Okay? Yep, this person feels like you're going to come off really cold and harsh to them. Yeah, either you have a family with this person, Taurus, or this person has like some type of family situation going on, you know, outside of you, whether it's like they have their own family with someone else, or it's like family got involved. But they can't stop thinking about the past. And see, they're trying to come out of being frustrated, but they're not taking a leap towards you because they're afraid of possibly what you're going to say to them. Yeah, this person's feeling like, you know, you're not going to take their offer. But they're keeping a very close eye on you, Taurus. Let me see. This person definitely wants to have a new beginning with you. But justice is being served. So, they're trying to find out how you feel about them. But I feel like if this person did you wrong, they're going through something. Ooh. See what I'm saying? This person's coming back to give you an offer. I mean, 2 of Cups, Ace of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back to give you this offer. And they're coming out of being frustrated about it because that's the decision that they made. Offer. I'm telling you, somebody's getting ready to get an offer from this person. Wow. They are manifesting this. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Somebody's confident here. They're coming back to give you this offer. But they made a decision. They want to have a peace of mind with you. You know, I don't know if I said somebody dealing with a Libra, but whatever. Somebody wants to have a peace of mind with you, but they're afraid you don't want to have a new start with them, and they don't want you to cut them off. Clarify the High Priestess reverse. They're not listening to their intuition because they're afraid that they're not going to have a home or family with you, but they could be involved. See, I knew it. I was about to say involved with someone else, and that's exactly what it is. They're needing to free themselves from some type of home or family situation. And until they do that, this is why they're not putting in the work with you just yet. And so I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated, but they're going to tell you the truth about this other situation. Yeah, because there was somebody blocking, hands down, mother or a mother figure, and they're going to put an end to that situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. What was that? Y'all, sorry. If y'all seen my other videos so far, these cards are like super slick because they're new. So bear with me because they've been flying all day. But anyway, this person definitely wants to have a new opportunity with you, and this is why they're making changes. They're going through a transformation, but they're frustrated because they know that they've been having you wait. You know, and they're back and forth if the seeds that they planted with you, if they can grow or not. Because they do want things to improve. But, yeah, this person is really frustrated. Okay. They're frustrated because right now there's no balance. And see, they need to make the effort because they want to do right by you. This person wants to balance things out. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But see, there's some type of codependency. Either this person has codependent behaviors and or they're stuck in some type of codependent situation. See, because they're sneaky. Somebody was being sneaky here. And they stabbed you in the back and they want to make it right. But let's see. Yep, because they don't want you to walk away. But they're afraid you're going to let them go. Okay. At 210, yeah. Somebody feels like there's going to be an end. So even though they want to be with you, they're like, I don't know. There could have been some harsh communication that took place between the two of you. But right now they're going through a lesson. And they're not moving forward just yet. Yeah, this person is definitely having a hard time right now. Because they want to be with you. They're going to give you that offer of a commitment. But see, they have to get out of either, like I said, a commitment that they're in with someone else or something that they're committed to. They're going to have to break free. See, of that third party. Somebody's being sneaky. Okay, they're having a hard time right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, Gemini, and I have a Leo. But they're going to have to get out of their head, you know, because they made a decision. They want to ask you out. They want to have fun with you, you know, as far as like taking you out. They just miss being around you, but they know that they hurt you. Tell me more. Because they were being very immature, very childish. But they know they're going to have to move fast. But see, I still have 2 women on this row. See what I'm saying? This person was juggling you and someone else. And that's the problem. See? This was a lesson for them. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. But this was a lesson. So now they're sitting back thinking on what to say to you. This person definitely wants to have a conversation. Because they want to heal things. You know, they want to come out of basically the doghouse. But even though, yes, they're wanting to come back trying to give you some type of stable offer, they don't know if you're going to hear them out, you know? See, they don't know what to do. So I'm seeing that they're going to be very confident when they come back, but they left you out in the cold, so now they're feeling like you're going to return the favor. You're going to leave them out in the cold, see? This person was being a player, rushing in and out of your life. Now they don't know what to say because they're feeling like you don't want to have a victory with them. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. So yes, they want to heal things with you in order to turn things around. But they're feeling stuck. They're feeling frustrated. And this person, they're not opening up. They're not speaking their truth at all. They have a hard time talking to you. So they want to give you this new love offer, but they know you're not happy with them at all. Okay, so let's get some advice. Let's get these guys some advice. Okay, so Spirit, when it comes to Taurus, what advice do you have for Taurus, please? When it comes to Taurus, what advice do you have for Taurus in this situation? Top 20 cards, what advice do you have for Taurus? Bottom of the deck, I have the Emperor reverse. I told you guys, in that Aries reading, I was like, somebody's dealing with a Taurus, and I'm seeing it here too. So, anyway, this is telling me that when you guys look at this person, you're like, there's no stability with them. I don't know if I can trust this person. 20 cards. What do you want Taurus to know? Alright, so it's like either you have a family with this person, or this is something that you wanted to have. Tell me more. But yeah, you're upset. You are upset because the truth came out, or it's about to come out. Let's see. And it's like you wanted things to improve, but I'm seeing you're making the decision not to move forward. Because this person was being sneaky. So now it's like you're starting to keep quiet. You're like, you know what? I'm done. I'm tired. I'm no longer putting in the work with this person because you're having a hard time. You know, like this person was being sneaky, and it's like this is the person you want to be with. But with the sun here, it's like you want happiness, but at the same time, you're like, I don't know. See? Look at that. There you are. It's like you're back and forth. It's like 1 minute you want to take this leap to be in this commitment with this person, move things along, but then on the flip side, you're not taking a leap because you're afraid that it's just not going to happen. Tell me more. I feel like you want this person to come towards you. See, another 5 tried to come out. It's like you guys are really in your head, see? Because this person isn't giving you the offer that you want. See, look at that. It's like you're afraid that you're not going to have a new beginning with them. Somebody is dealing with an Aries, and it jumped on top of the Hierophant. I'm telling y'all, but see, look, even if that's not the case, and I'm talking to somebody specific, but regardless, if you're not even a Taurus Aries, you might have that in your chart, your person, but there's the I said the Hierophant. There's a Hierophant there. There's the Emperor and the Empress right here. This is definitely a soulmate or a twin flame connection that I'm picking up on, but somebody's deciding not to put any more time, effort, or energy into the situation because you want stability in your life, and you're like, you know what? This person has been moving really slow to make up their mind, you know, so now I'm going to help them out. I'm about to move fast. Why say Ace of Pentacles here? Okay, they're saying that this person's going to try to come back wanting to extend an offer to you, but somebody's still kind of keeping quiet. This could be you not opening up. King of Swords. I'm going to keep going. Give me 10 more, please, for Taurus. Clarify the 3 of Wands. Let's see, because that can go 2 ways. Yeah, you're deciding to move on. You're deciding to move in a new direction. That's the decision that you made because you're realizing there's no balance here and you put an end to the situation. You're tired. Yeah, you guys are over it, see? But they're saying there's a lesson you're going through. You're missing something. You're going through a cycle. Clarify? Okay. Oh, that's a cycle. They're saying you need to stand up for yourself, Taurus. And I told y'all that in that last reading. So this person's going to come back, but you want this cycle to be done and over with. Your part in this is standing up for yourself and saying enough is enough because you don't see things improving. You're not content. You're not happy with how things have played out. I'm seeing you're removing yourself from this third party situation by putting an end to it. You're cutting this person off. But see, you got an offer coming in, but it's from this person, but you feel betrayed, you feel stabbed in the back. But I just see you healing from the loss that you're taking with this person. Whether or not you guys have assets together, whether or not you help this person out financially, or, you know, they just took from you. It's like you're reviewing your money. You're like, something ain't right, but I got to get away from this person because it's not working out. Every time I turn around, they're doing something else. Yeah, I see you guys putting an end to this. Y'all are done. So please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for any of you. My personal readings right now, they're still closed. But as soon as I get through my emails, I want to go back through the ones that I received in May 1st and schedule those individuals. And then I will open it back up. So just be on the lookout for my community posts because I will open it back up when I'm ready to start scheduling again, okay? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this reading. I love each and every one of you. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Taurus.